Top 5 apps like Flamingo Hair Removal Cream Review that actually work today. If you're tired of shaving or waxing, you won't believe what happens next. There are apps that help you find effective hair removal creams like Flamingo, with reviews, tips, and discounts all in one place. Most people get this wrong, thinking all creams are the same, but the right products make a big difference. First up is Sephora. Their app lets you browse hair removal creams, rate verified reviews, and compare prices. You can even check ingredients and see which products are best for sensitive skin. Second is Ulta Beauty. Ulta's app highlights popular creams, discounts, and bundles. It also features tutorials and tips for safe application at home. Number 3 is Amazon. Amazon's app provides customer reviews, sections, and competitive pricing. You can often find Flamingo alternatives that work just as well at lower prices. Fourth, we have Target. Target's app offers curated hair removal products, detailed product information, and shipping or pickup options, making shopping convenient. Finally, Walmart. The Walmart app includes user ratings, ingredients lists, and exclusive deals. Many users report discovering effective alternatives that outperform their expectations. In conclusion, while Flamingo Hair Removal Cream is popular, these 5 apps give you better access to products, reliable reviews, and deals. With these tools, you can remove hair safely, efficiently, and without breaking the bank.